Welcome students to the another module of reproduction in flowering plants. Here I will be discussing megasporogenesis. That means the process of formation of megaspore, the female gametophyte. Here we will be learning about the formation of embryo sac where egg is formed. So first of all, let's begin with the definition. Megasporogenesis, that is the formation of megaspore, female gametophyte, and it generally takes place inside the ovule of the carpel. Now on screen you can see the structure of carpel is given, where you will see the topmost part is called as the stigma, then it is having a tube like structure known as style, then below that a round bottom structure is there which is called the ovary. Inside that ovule is present. Ovule is also known as megasporangium. Now we will discuss the types of flower on the basis of number of carpels present in it. If a flower is containing single carpel, then it is called as monocarpellary, and if it is containing more than one carpel, then it will be called as multicarpellary flower. And multicarpellary flower is also further divided, as you can see on screen, that if the carpels are free, then it will be called as apocarpus, and if the carpels are fused together, then it will be called as syncarpus. Let's move on to the detailed structure of a typical ovule of an angiosperm, that is megasporangium. In case of angiosperms, they mostly contain anatropous type of ovule, which is bitegmic, that means containing two integuments covering layer. Ovule arises from placenta and it is attached to the placenta by a stalk called funicle. Hilum is a junction between ovule and a funicle, and each ovule has one or two protective envelope called integuments. They encircle the ovule. Below ovule you will see a tiny hole like structure, that is micropyle. Micropyle is an opening present at the tip where integuments is absent. Chaliza is opposite to the micropylar end, representing the basal part of the ovule. The integument encloses a mass of cells called the nucellus. The nucellus contain food reserves for developing embryo. During maturation, only one cell among the nucellus enlarges, which is present towards the micropylar end, and it changes into megaspore mother cell, that is MMC, and the rest of the nucellus cells they degenerates and provides nutrition to the developing MMC. This megaspore mother cell that is diploid in nature then undergoes meiosis and produces megaspore tetrad, that all are haploid in nature. As you can see on screen that the megaspore tetrad is in linear form and they are aligned at the chalizal micropylar axis. The three megaspore cells which are at the chalizal end degenerates and only single megaspore that is present at the micropylar end survives. Then it enlarges in its size and then undergoes a mitotic division where only karyokinesis takes place. 3 times karyokinesis takes place, which result in the formation of 8 nucleus. So a cell that is containing 8 nucleus is formed. Then the 3 nucleus, out of 8 nucleus, 3 nucleus will move towards the chalizal end and other 3 will move toward the micropylar end. And then cytokinesis takes place. 3 nuclei at the chalizal end form antipodal cells. At the other opposite end there are 2 synergids and an egg cell is formed. This egg cell will fuse with the male gamete to form zygote during fertilization process, and at the center you will see 2 polar nuclei are present as it is. On screen you will see a finger-like projections are present known as filiform apparatus at the micropylar end around synergids. It is present in the embryo sac to guide the pollen tubes into the synergids during fertilization process. So this is all about the formation of embryo sac, that is mega gametogenesis can also be called, where 8 nucleated 7 celled embryo sac or egg apparatus is formed. This type of formation is also called as monosporic formation because only one out of the 4 megaspore enlarges and develops into female gametophyte and the other 3 degenerates. Thus, it is called monosporic formation or monosporic development of female gametophyte.